Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Select a fresh pork belly about 5 pounds and trim any ragged edges so thickness is even from end to end. Combine a dry cure of 1/4 cup kosher salt, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon prog powder No. 1 per 5 pounds of meat. Stir in 1 tablespoon black pepper and 1 teaspoon smoked paprika for flavor. Pat the belly dry, coat it thoroughly with the cure, pressing the mixture into the meat so every surface has cure contact. Place the cured pork belly in a heavy-duty zip bag or vacuum seal it, pressing out air. Refrigerate flat for 7 days and turn the package over once a day so cure redistributes. By day 7, the meat will feel noticeably firmer, and the interior should have a uniform pink color from the prog powder. Remove the belly, rinse under cold water to wash away excess cure. Then soak in fresh cold water for 30 minutes to pull surface salt down before drying and resting the meat in the refrigerator. After rinsing and soaking, pat the belly dry and place it uncovered in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours to allow a tacky pellicle to form, which helps smoke adhere. Preheat your smoker to 200 degrees F and smoke the belly until the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees F. Expect roughly 2 to 3 hours depending on thickness and smoke intensity. Cool completely, then chill before slicing 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. Store vacuum sealed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.